Make sure you stay till the end. We'll talk about 2 common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video if you have one of those and you're trying guys to find the fuse for the rear window defroster. Stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located, how to find it, why you should always test fuses when before you replace them guys, relays as well, and common mistakes people make when replacing fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars, in some cases in damages. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys want to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge or any vehicle, you want to get them at a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's continue now. So V6, V8, it should work on both. Specifically, we have a 2018 model. Right here, guys, you can see next to the engine you have a fuse box. Most people will just hope that that fuse is there, but it's not. It's a different place. Let's explain where now. Before we continue, many of you have been requesting in the comment section below to share information about good diagnostic tool scanner. This is our favorite one guys, for the money. We bought it ourselves. It's an amazing tool that works on almost any car you can think of. Check this thing out, and it's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use guys. You can access every computer system, read codes, delete codes, and see live data, and some of those new cars may have up to 50 different computer systems. So a scanner like that, it's a must. Check out the link if you want to check current price and feature. It will be listed in the description of the video below. So you will need to open the trunk. Once you open the trunk, this is the cargo cover liner right here. You just lift it up, it goes that way, and you can see you will have your spare tire here, you have your car battery. Now three common mistakes people make here. One, often it's recommended when replacing fuses and relays, especially the ones that are more important, you will need to disconnect the car battery. So that way you don't cause damage to the electrical system, modules, computers and things like that. Another thing, most people guys do not know that, but it's very important which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can guys actually cause damage to the modules, computers, electronics. How we know that? We burned the module on a Mercedes for the airbags. That itself cost us $2,000. So yes guys, we learned the hard way. Check out, there is a video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect first and which one to reconnect first. Right here is the fuse box that we'll need. Open it like that and pull it out. Mistake number 3, people do not guys test fuses and relays often. Fuses, they will think they can see if they're burnt or not through the glass, but you often will not be able to do that. And you wonder, okay, why it's a big mistake? Because let's say you put the fuse back in, you think it's good, you keep buying parts and tools and money, you invest money and time to fix a problem that doesn't exist. It's just not worth it. Test the fuses, test the relays. We'll put a video, link to a video in the description below, how to test fuses and relays and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from as well. Where is now the fuse guys? Okay, that we need specifically for the rear window defroster. We're talking about fuse number F42. We're talking about that fuse right here. That's the fuse for the rear window defroster. We're going to grab it, okay, with the fuse puller. Give me a second and pull it out just like that. We'll get the replacement one, and once we get it, we'll be ready to install it. Clearly, it just goes in, push it in. Don't forget to install your cover and you're ready to go. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.